For specific health issues, there are 7 special pranayamas. Today we will learn them first. If someone feels too much heat, gets angry easily, or has hot flashes, sweats a lot, has excessive perspiration, has hypertension, or a restless mind, feels anxious, or the heartbeat increases, or feels palpitations. For them, Sheetali Pranayama is helpful. Stick the tongue out like this. Those who have cold, cough, or excess phlegm should not do this. After inhaling, hold the breath inside for a short while, as long as you can. Then exhale through the nostrils. Inhale from the mouth, through the tongue, like this. You may do it 3, 5, 7, 11. Or even 21 times. Breathing in is called Purak. In yoga, inhalation is Purak and exhalation is called Rechak. Purak is done through the mouth and Rechak through the nose, holding the breath inside after inhaling. Is internal Kumbhak, holding the breath out after exhaling. Is external Kumbhak. Purak, Rechak and Kumbhak are 3 locks. Pressing the chin to the throat is Jalandhar Bandha. Contracting the abdomen and pulling it in is Uddiyana Bandha. Contracting the pelvic region is Mula Bandha. The right nostril is called Surya Nadi. What is it called? Surya Nadi. The left nostril is Chandra Nadi. Say it. Surya Nadi. Chandra Nadi. Right is Pingala, left is Ida, and the center is Sushumna. These are essential yogic principles everyone should know. After Sheetali, the next is Sheetkari. Close the teeth, open the lips, and inhale through the mouth. Hold as long as comfortable, then exhale through the nose. Sheetali, Sheetkari, and now Chandra Bhedi. All 3 cool the body and help with hypertension, excess heat, acidity, skin burning, and rashes. Those with Pitta imbalance, high blood pressure, or anger issues should practice these pranayamas. The third pranayama, lift the right hand, cross it slightly, and inhale slowly using the right thumb to control the breath. No sound. Quiet breath. Hold for a moment. Then cross to the left. Do not inhale from the right. Inhale again from the left. With regular practice, the mind becomes calm and balanced. Hold the breath. During holding, the hands may rest on the knees or near the nose if needed. Now close the left nostril and exhale to the right. This is exhalation. Slowly and gently. You may do this 3, 5, 7, 11, or 21 times. These 3 pranayamas cool the body. Next is a warming pranayama, useful for arthritis, asthma, and obesity. Surya Vedi Pranayama. Close the left nostril, inhale from the right. You may hold your hand in different positions like this. Any comfortable hand position is fine. This way or this way. Inhale slowly from the right. Hold gently. Hold the breath inside. After holding, close the right nostril and exhale from the left. Inhale from the right, exhale from the left. Repeat several times, 7, 11, or even 21 times. This is useful for asthma, arthritis, obesity, excess mucus, Vata imbalance, and metabolic issues. It is especially helpful for Kapha and Vata conditions. For all 3 doshas, we have Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, purifying 72,000 nadis and every chakra from every organ down to every cell. It purifies the entire system. It is useful for diseases, muscular dystrophy, neurological problems, and emotional stress. Raise the right hand, inhale fast from the left. Inhale deeply. Everyone must do sound breathing. Slowly inhale, then hold the breath. Apply Jalandhar Bandha. Yes. Hold as long as you can, then close the left nostril. Maintain a steady rhythm. Now, inhale from the right. After full inhalation, hold the breath inside. This is internal kumbhak. Good. This is alternate breathing. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. This completes one round. This is Anulom Vilom. You may do 7 or 11 rounds. This is also called Nadi Shodhana. Say it. There is another pranayama for ear problems. Sometimes there is ringing or pressure in the ears. Hearing also becomes weak. To improve this, inhale first, close both nostrils, keep the mouth closed, and apply gentle pressure inside the ears. Air pressure builds up. Do this 2 or 3 times to open the ears. Pressure builds and the ears open. This helps with ear disorders, especially while traveling. During flights or in the mountains, when ears get blocked, this helps a lot. Fill the breath and hold inside. During meditation and pranayama, inhale slowly and hold the breath. Hold for half a minute to a minute, as per your strength. With practice, you can do 2 to 2.5 minutes. But this requires training. Fill the breath and hold. Ru, 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 holding breath. Holding breath. Keep holding, then exhale through the nose. I hold for up to 2.5 minutes, not more. You should not exceed this. Too little oxygen supply can be dangerous for the brain and body. These are the special breathing practices I've shared with you today.